Take picture. Stop recording video. Button.
Okay. This is the lineman handyman, and I am working on this rear knuckle. So I have a
0 people.
extractor put on there. This is a Canadian Tire extractor. There's a little set of them here. They are the best investment you could ever buy for getting it broken bolts. This is the most popular size I use, these ones. They have a deep set as well. So I have a, looking for a ratchet here.
Zero people.
So.
Zero people.
I'm gonna ratchet. We got an extension here, make it a little easier.
Zero people.
Yeah, I lost the tool.
Zero people.
Okay.
Zero people.
I don't know how it works with those. I don't know if it does anything. Usually if you see the threads, I find it works good, but I'll give this a try. Oh, yeah, I meant to show you.
Zero people.
If you look at these, they're like teeth in there, and as they screw it, it's also like a screw, so it digs in and pulls it down tighter. I usually hammer them on. Sometimes they'll grab, but when it's rusty bolts like this, you gotta hammer them. If you're lucky, they can just slide on. It's good to go, but usually if you gotta use an extractor, you're at the point where you gotta hammer it on.
Zero people.
They work so good. And honestly, that I got a set, and if I had to bring them back, I wouldn't be really fair. I've tortured these things, and I'm not going to grab. There. My angle isn't right.
Zero people.
Look at that. Amazingly enough, I got it.
Zero people. One face centered. Gear bottom left edge.
There you go. That's a extractor doing his job. Look how bad that is. Isn't that amazing that I took that out? Well, I think it's amazing. The bolt's perfect. You know, I could probably put this bolt back in because this is never going to come apart anyway. All this work is done. This guy's going to rust away before any work will have to be done after this. But we'll see.
Camera control. Stop recording. Take picture. Stop recording video. Button.